I submitted my Vibecoded app to the App Store last week. It got rejected for 4 reasons, and honestly, I didn't even think about any of them before I hit submit. That's the thing about vibe coding, is that you don't know what you don't know until Apple tells you. The first one was that my app was asking users to reconsider when they deny permissions. I had no idea it was even doing that. Our AI agent generated all the code, so I never wrote that in, but somewhere in there, it added a prompt asking users to change their mind after they say no. Honestly, it's kind of funny, but yeah, I know that we can't allow that. So I pasted Apple's feedback back into Vibecode, fixed. Second, the app didn't display properly on iPad. I wasn't even thinking about iPad when I built this. I built it for the iPhone, but if your app can be downloaded on iPad, it needs to work on the iPad, and I didn't consider that. Posted the guidelines from App Store Connect directly into Vibecode and fixed. And third, no option to delete accounts. This one I genuinely didn't even think about. Users can create their accounts, so obviously they need to be able to delete them. And in hindsight, this makes total sense, so now I've added a settings menu for that by doing the same thing as the previous two, pasting exactly what I was told in App Store Connect into Vibecode, and Vibecode made the changes. And then fourth, I had a checkbox selected for parental controls in the age rating, but my app doesn't actually have any, and it turns out this setting was within App Store Connect, not within my app, which my kind Vibecode agent told me that I could find it within the App Store Connect website, and I didn't even know what that setting meant, obviously, when I filled it out the initial time that I submitted. It turns out this was a very quick fix, but yeah, I think the biggest takeaways with this, it feels like with every rejection, it's basically like a checklist that I didn't know existed, and now I do, which is basically what vibe coding is, what the vibe coding learning curve is. You can build fast, you could ship fast, and then you find out what you missed along the way and get better for next time. And I actually appreciate how thorough Apple is. It's a really good filter, it protects the users, it protects builders too. Alright, made all the changes, resubmitted, let's see if it gets approved this time.